Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and in this useful video I'm going to give you a valuable resource for your academic IELTS vocabulary, and this vocabulary will help you with academic IELTS writing, academic IELTS reading as well. Anyways guys, there is a writer, his name is Dr. Avril Coxhead. He has produced a list of the most commonly words which are used in academic texts. This is called the Academic Word List, AWL. You can scan it. Academic Word List by Dr. Avril Coxhead. The list is freely available, so you can easily Google it and you can find it from there. And this list contains 2000 most frequent words which are used in English. Now, in order to achieve a higher band score, you need very good vocabulary, especially in IELTS reading. They use academic IELTS reading. They use a variety of words which are based on science, technology, research, innovation and all that. So if you go through this list, most definitely you can improve your understanding of academic IELTS or academic IELTS vocabulary, and this can help you achieve your desired band score or a very good band score in IELTS. By the way, your vocabulary should be wide enough to allow you to write or talk in a precise way about any topic. This is very, very important. Otherwise, you'll be using very simple vocabulary. I asked a question from a student, do you like English movies? He answered, yes, I like English movies. I like English movies very much. English movies are so good. I watch English movies. English movies teach me lesson. That's why I like them. Now you can see very limited vocabulary. So if you know a few words, most definitely you will tend to repeat those words, and repetition is the band killer in IELTS. That is why Dr. Avril Coxhead and his academic word list, AWL, will help you. You must go to Google and write there AWL, Dr. Avril Coxhead, and once you find it, you can share it with my other students as well. You can just comment this video below and you can share it with others as well. That's all guys. Thank you very much. This was a little video about the resource on IELTS vocabulary. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.